Hey YouTube, have you been looking to go to Curaçao and see how it is? Well, look no further. About to show you guys my experience. Got picked up from the airport, now heading to the hotel. From the airport to the hotel is about 25-minute drive. The hotel we stood at was Scuba Lodge. Informal seafront hotel in bright 1800s building, plus dining, and outdoor pool and dive center. We did arrive early, so we had to wait till our room to be done, so we went to the restaurant towards the back and had some food and drinks while looking at this view. I ordered a local beer, which is called Brasa. It was very good. I finished off with a club sandwich, which was really good. So once they had finished with our room, we started to go in and unpack and get settled down. The room was nice, had a modern kitchen and a modern bathroom. My favorite part was the bathroom. Alright, so looks like the strip gets lit. Bunch of people out. It looks nice. So we decided to eat here.
I'm gonna move for a burger, that's fine. Let me get it.
Golden. I'm gonna move for a burger tonight. See how it goes. See how it is. So after walking around, we decided to go to, this is called Signature Restaurant. What sold me was this drink right here is called the Porn Star. See how it tastes. Very good. Very good. Alright, so back to the hotel. That's it for day one. So tomorrow, the plans are our rental, they're gonna deliver it to us. And once we get the car, we'll explore the island tomorrow and stay tuned. Say bye. Say bye, baby. Bye-bye. See you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. So we're gonna go get some breakfast right now, and we're still waiting for a car rental. So once we get our car rental, we is gonna go to the famous Mambo Beach. Catch you guys there. All right, guys. So we got the rental. About to go look at it now. See how it looks. I don't know. I might have gotten a Ferrari, a McLaren. You never know. You guys are ready? Here we go. Show you guys right now. Are you guys ready? Here's the reveal. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. This is better than the McLaren, huh? Ferrari what? I'd rather take this. From the hotel to Mambo Beach was about a 15-minute ride. Probably faster. Alright guys, just arrived. I don't know if this is the strip to Mamba Beach or if we're already in Mamba Beach. While in the strip, I see the Mamba Beach sign right there. But now I'm trying to find the entrance to Mamba Beach. Let's see. Alright guys, found the beach. Look how blue this water is. Yeah. So, right now, about to settle in and get in that water. Good morning, guys. So today is April 7th, which is my girlfriend's birthday. Say happy birthday to my girlfriend.
Happy birthday.
So today's plans are, we're doing what beach? Denzibar Beach. We're gonna eat breakfast, then go to Denzibar Beach and see. Whose birthday is it?
My birthday.
Cheers. Cheers for your... Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
You can have mine.
I don't care.
Cheers for your 70th birthday.
25.
25. She's 25, guys.
25. And can't nobody tell me different.
So if you don't watch your food, the birds will watch it for you.
Don't be the bird.
Right, we in the streets and we're gonna go eat for my baby's birthday. It's my baby's birthday and we're going. We got recommended to go to the strip because there's a festival, right? There's a festival?
Blue Sea.
Blue Sea Festival. Here it is, Blue Sea Festival. Here it is. Wow, there's more people than yesterday for sure. So, for sure, Friday is where it gets packed and there's people. Alright. Looks like their bosses set up the band real quick. Probably music at night later on.
Blue Sea International Curaçao.
Blue Sea Festival. We got our drinks. My baby got her drink. Now we're waiting for our food to get done. And as you can see, there's a lot of people here. It's good. Good vibes. Burger wing.
Cheers.
So almost your birthday.
It's my birthday, almost.
So one thing I noticed is that the drink Porn Star it's everywhere, every restaurant you go. So recommend the drink when you come to Curaçao, porn star. Alright guys, so I'm about to surprise my girlfriend. The bar's gonna sing happy birthday to her and bring her a birthday cake. I think ice cream is gonna bring her, so she's right there. She has no clue what I'm about to do, but we're gonna surprise her and sing her happy birthday. So. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! So for our final day, we went to Queen's Emma Bridge. Called the Swinging Old Lady, this 1888 pontoon pedestrian bridge opens literally for passing ships. Once we crossed the bridge, I saw a playground with little kids playing around, so I let my son play for a while. So we ended up walking around and found some spots where you could buy anything from food, makeup, jewelry, anything you could think of, they sell around there. It's a tourist spot, so they had everything that you could think of. So, is this the best mojito in the world? Yes or no? What do you think, dude? What? Is this the best mojito in the world? It's up there.
It's up there. Cheers.
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 So, look at this little cool thing. Here you can buy a keychain and write anything on it and put it on this heart full of locks.
Write the initials and the date.
Here's ours.
Our initials and the date that we were here.
Alright, let me zoom in, let me focus. Initials and the date.
And the date that we were here. The local said that you throw one of the keys in the water and then you and your partner keep the other two.
So there you go. So, do the honors. How long should it take? Oh, forget it. You got it.
Zoom in on it.
Yeah. There it is. We are part of the heart.
Unda Love Hearts.
Unda Love Hearts. Oh, here's the part to throw the key. Go ahead.
Yay.
There you go. Key's gone. So now for our last dinner. We decided to eat in Steak and Ribs Seafood and Steakhouse. So far the best restaurant we had in Curaçao. Everything was amazing, the food, chicken, seafood, the drinks, all were good. So this is our last day, our last breakfast of the day. And Sadly, we have to go back to New York. Do you want to leave?
No.
She doesn't want to.
New York.
Curaçao is I'd say the most come. I think it's good to go with your family.
Yeah, perfect for family.
The family trip, for sure.
Depending on the time of the season they come, there's a lot of like festivals and things that you can do.
Yeah, a lot of festivals and restaurants you go to, depending on the time you guys come. We came in April, so we came at festival time, I'm guessing. And yeah, should come here.
Apple.
Also, next month is my birthday, so I'll be traveling. Stay tuned for my next travel video and see where I'm heading to. On to the next one. Come fly with me.